Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to insert charts using Excel. So to do this work, you are supposed to have the table as I have typed mine here, like this. This is the monthly sale, so I'm going to put this information in charts. So I'm going to demonstrate different kind of charts. Maybe what you are looking for is among what I'm going to demonstrate here. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can understand more about inserting charts. So to start with, you will have to highlight this information like the way I'm doing, and then you come here to insert. So for this case, I'm going to begin by inserting column chart. So I'll click there, and then I choose any from what they have given me. So I'm going to choose this first one here. So this is the column chart. And as you can see, if you want to move this chart from one place to another, you need to hold this background, and then you can move this from one place to another. And if you want to change the background of this chart, all you have to do is you will come here and then you choose any, like that. You can choose any design that they have given you, and then that is how your column chart will look like. And if I want to insert something else, which means I have to come here and then I highlight this information once again, and then I come here to insert. So this time around, I want to insert line chart. So I will click this one here. As you can see, this is different from the first one. So as you can see, I want to change the appearance of that line chart. I want to put this one so that it can appear that way. So I want to go further, and then I insert something else. First I have to highlight, and then I come here, then I go to pie chart. So I can choose this one for demonstration. So this is my pie chart, and with this pie chart I can decide to put percentages like this. I want this information to have percentages, and then I put the title of the chart. So here I can, as you can see, I'm dealing with the monthly sale, so I have to put monthly sale as the title, like that. So this is my pie chart, and if I want to change how this pie chart is supposed to look, I have to use these tools of format, and then I go to shape. So I want to put this one to be like yellow, bearing the yellow background. So to me, yellow is good, so this is how it looks like. So you too, you can decide to choose any color you want and how you want your pie chart to look like. So this is how you can do it. So I want to go further, and then I insert another chart by coming here, and then I select bar graph. I want to choose this cylinder one, and then I drag it, I put it somewhere here. So I want to choose the design for this. This time around I want to take this one here. I want it to look like that. So you can see the way you can insert charts as simple as that. And if I want to insert yet another one, I'll have to highlight once again, and then I go here, I choose this area chart. I want to put this one, or I put this one, the first one. So this is how you can be able to insert charts using Excel. It's just the basic information for beginners. So if you are a beginner, or if you are someone who has ever done Excel but you have forgotten how you can insert charts, this is the way to go. So if you have any question, you can put it in a comment section. I can be able to answer that question, or if you have anything that you want to comment, you can go ahead and comment. Then make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to my channel, so that when I put information like this, you'll be able to be notified. So guys, this is all about how you can insert charts using Excel. So next time I will talk about something else, and if you have a topic that you want me to discuss about, then you can put it in the comment section. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.